Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of the Chiliz coin, and a lot of people message me that please make a video on Chiliz. What's the next target of Chiliz coin? So in this video I'm going to show you the next target of the Chiliz coin friends. Before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates about Chiliz coin friends. As you can see now on the screen friends, that is the live price prediction of the Chiliz coin of the last one day friends. The change occurred in the last one day, and the Chiliz coin is about 6.14% change occurred in Chiliz coin, and the high price of the Chiliz is about 0.8252 USD dollar is the high price of Chiliz in the last one day friends. Now friends, how can we detect the next target of the Chiliz coin? Let's detect the next target. What's going in the future of Chiliz coin? What's the next target of the Chiliz coin we can detect? Let's start the video friends. If you don't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. Kindly subscribe. When you subscribe my channel, I'm very happy. So friends, it is clear for us that's what's going in a Chiliz coin in the future friends. As you can see here, if you look the graph of the Chiliz coin, so as you can see here the jumping and dumping, dumping. Same procedure occurs in the Chiliz coin. As this kind of process occurs in the Chiliz coin, so it is clear for us that the falling occurs in the Chiliz coin because they are in the downward direction friends. So that is clear for us that the future of the Chiliz coin in the falls occur in the future of Chiliz coin friends. So what's your opinion about Chiliz coin? 70% chances of the falls and 30% chances of the jumping friends. If you agree with me, so please like my video and subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. Now let's check it out for a short term, the last 1 hour price prediction. Where's the change goes in the last 1 hour price prediction? As you can see here, the last 1 hour price prediction is in positive 1.79%, and the high price of the Chiliz coin is about 0.6443 USD dollar is the high price of the Chiliz coin in the last 1 hour friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more videos.